Hello everyone. Today we will discuss our project that we created before that, and this project was related to email. For example, it was related to cold emailing, marketing, etc. Both of the everything we need related to email. For example, we need to email something, some related topic, anything. For example, cold emailing. We have to. It will take lots of time if we sending email to. For example, we have to send the mail to the 100 people per day. If we using email one by one, it will take our less than 1 hour, but using this we can send them easily in just one click. For example, if you are saying we can use BCC for that, blind carbon copy, for that we can send bulk email using the writing the specific email to multiple person. But here will a situation occur. Use receiver can see that it was sending by the BCC, and also it will not including her name. For example, like that, whom was sending this email, etc. Like that. We can solve this problem using our project. The main thing was like that. For example, like today we have a post. For example, like that's wheel size hiring for SD1. We need to send that email for him, and for her we need the job role and email ID and her name to send that. For example, if we writing it, it will takes our lot of time. Then our application will help us to do that. Let's see. We paste our that we find from on LinkedIn and send the request. It will give us the name of that email and role for that we are performing that. Wait for a second. For example, see, take, here was the email that was given her name and the job role, and for that we have to send the email to that. For example, like here we have to send the email. I will writing my email ID. Okay, and we can type anything. Okay, and then send. We can add multiple emails here. For example, another, then etc. like that. But it will never see, receiver cannot see it was sent like bulk emailing. It will see in like two specific email. If we do like using the BCC, it will see like it is approaching multiple person. But using that, it will not, anybody can see that whom how many person we can set that at one time. See, here we will receive a message, email sent successfully. Okay, let's see, is it received or sent it by anybody? Let's see, here we will get that our email ID from which we receive, and their body and the subject that is we writing here, and go and see where we send it. Here we from we sending the email. We see our two APIs, like one was give us the from this post, it will give our email name and the job role, and another will send that email like that. If for example, if we have to reply this someone emails, it will be the situation occur, we need to save our time. For to replying the email, we can use that. For example, we receive an email, hello, I hope you are doing well, I wanted to know your previous meeting regarding the project. We receive an email, then we have to reply this. Okay, dear sender name, etc. These things are we sending email. If we receive an email, we can send them. If for example, like we send a cold email to 100 people a day, and if we receive the email, then well and good. If we not receive, our task is to mail him again. But for that we have no need to mail him again. Until he doesn't reply him, our application will automatically mail him again and again until we got. Now you know how application know we receive or not. For example, we need our emails that we receive from that. Using this API, we find the how many emails we received, email ID of those. If these emails are in the database and we receive then it will automatically remove from the automatic table. it will remove from the table, and next time the application cannot send the mail him to again, because we receive email from them, and you taking it will take a lots of time. It was a background task. It will running in the background. It can be achieve using the multi-threading. So it will working in the background using the threads. We will not take the time for that. See, we will receive the emails ID that was in our email. These are the 30 emails in 30 lines, and see our emails. These are emails that we have inbox. Check here. And also main thing was here was also there are always unique, not multiple times. We receive an email multiple times from a specific email ID, it will count only one. Here we will discuss about the multi-threading, Java, Spring Boot, database handling, and we also implement the caching here. I will tell you mostly everything related to our project. And in the next video we will see about the notification calling using the Twilio, and the next video we will discuss our code one by one for each services.